some pregartinis, some mocktails with some supplements and electrolytes and all the things because I'm pregnant, and all I want to do, just because I can't, I'm not allowed, I want to drink, I want to rollerblade, and I want Botox. I've never even had Botox, but like I want it because I can't have it. So like I want Botox. Anyways, I've got 3 drinks that I've been making a lot lately, and they're super refreshing. It's a sunny day, it's spring-ish finally, so we're gonna make some hydrating little beauty elixirs that are great, whether you drink or not, but for us pregnant people. To start off, we are going to make a little lychee martini. So you're gonna need some lychee juice, syrup, I don't know what this is. And then I'm taking some raspberry lime sparkly water. I was not expecting it to be pink. Wait, that is such a pleasant surprise. We're gonna take some lime juice. Okay. Got lots of citrus here. And then we are just going to take some beauty water from Sakara, the Ionic, I keep wanting to say iconic, the Ionic mineral drops. Is this bottle almost out? No. Okay, let's see. What are the... we'll do 2. Because it's kind of on the emptier side. I feel like that's 1 syringe worth. Okay. I had like really cute like cocktail picks or whatever, so I don't know where I put them. But we've just got our little lychee. Our little lychee pregartini. I am not taste testing this until I get a picture of that beautiful thing. So I'm just gonna scoot that over here. Next, I have been making, okay, I'm gonna get a little bit, we need a little bit of water in here. Okay, it's mostly water. And then we're gonna take this Chroma Cranberry Hydration Elixir. I've been loving this. Take a scoop, add it in. Okay, gonna do like a whole lime, honestly, in this one. I love citrus right now. Like, I feel like I love citrus like on a regular basis, but like pregnancy has made me like really want like a lot more citrus than usual. So since that first one was kind of like already half squeezed from the other one, we're gonna do another one. The lime really takes away from like the cayenne in here because it is just a teensy bit spicy with the cayenne. Perfect, beautiful. Okay, and now a splash of just cranberry juice. Also, you guys can do ice. I'm not like the biggest ice person, and honestly, my daughter's napping. Otherwise, I probably would have made these like with the shaker, like a cocktail shaker with ice, so that they could be like really cold, but not have ice in them, because I'm gonna drink these outside, but anyways. Also, taking like actual cranberries and like freezing them, it's a great idea for this one too. Our last is grapefruit soda. So you're gonna take a smidgen of agave if you like sweet. I have a big sweet tooth. So gonna do that, and while we're juicing our grapefruit, I am just going to add some of our grapefruit sparkly water to like let that kind of dissolve, if that makes sense. We're gonna take our Big Boss juicer, citrus juicer. We're gonna add more sparkly water too, don't worry. This one I will add ice because I really like ice in this one. Pregnancy is so weird. So we are hydrating with all of these. There's like actual flavors. It feels like we're drinking a fancy cocktail, but we are hydrating our bodies and taking care of our babies that we are growing. Okay. Oops. No problem. A bit more. A bit more. Okay, and this is the pink grapefruit flavor. I just wanted it to like be grapefruity. Okay. That is mixed now. And I'm gonna add a little bit of ice. Okay. Doing one at a time so that I don't have regrets. Like about splashing. Okay, perfect. Oh, it's all a mess now, but it's fine. Okay, I want to try this lychee one first because I have not had it. Ooh, that is so good. Lychee, if you haven't had lychee, it kind of is almost like a grapey flavor. I used a raspberry lime sparkling water, and it's not very raspberry-y or limey, like we added lime. This could use a touch more lime, hold on. Okay. Give that a little mix. Okay. Yeah, it just needs like that tartness. Okay, anyways. Cheers. You all, sorry. I forgot to add something. The Array Skinny Confidential, their Le Depuff Morning Cleanse Drops. I actually ended up making my own tincture and just reusing this. I just used the same herbs they did. And this, I mean, is great for so many things, but really helps you poop. And that is like, has been an issue for me since postpartum, and not so bad during pregnancy, but like, it's not gonna hurt, you know? So, add some of that. Give her a mix. So refreshing.